omiyo chiwo taulo mag ria e skunde maonge chudo ne jopuonjre ma ochan. Riwruoge mok mag piny owacho medo ywak ne telo ma pacho ka mondo okony nyiri makadho e pek yudo taulogo kendo mosemiyo moko kuomgi weyo skul. Riwruoge mopogore opogore nobago nyasi ma odiochieng' achiel e gwenge mag Oldoinyo e kaunti ma Kajiado kendo puonjo nyithindo ma nyiri ma ok tin 150 e wi ler e kinde ria.
Kuna aibu fulani ninaona, so mtoto anaanza kusema ninaumwa mpaka anaacha shule. Unakuta mtoto ametoka shule kwa sababu saa zingine ya mzazi wake hana kitu ya kumnunulia, hana mzazi yake ni kuchunga, saa zingine hata hajui maana ya sanitize towels hajui.
It is still something that they take as if it is shame when you are going through the period moment. It is a shameful thing in the community. They want to hide. So the first thing that we have done is to just educate them. This is something that they should be able to embrace because it's going to be happening for the better part of their life.
We need more sponsors. We need even the government to see getting a pad for somebody even who does not afford a meal a day. It is very difficult.
We need to ensure that a sanitary towel becomes every girl's right, free of charge, just like the condoms. Trust me, these girls, they suffer to get these pads.
I propose that there comes a legislation that makes it compulsory for the government to support the issue of sanitary towels for the girls in the remote parts of our counties and every part of Kenya.